Hello, I'm darkironphoenix and welcome to my video tutorials on the Source engine. I'm going to be mainly working with the input-output system that's integrated within Source, and I'll be using the portal setup. Now, last week I showed you how to create this pane of glass, door and the alarm, and in the prelude I just showed you the basic area that we'll be working with. Now we're going to be working in the main building today, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a vending machine. So first off, we need our props. We need two prop physics. The first is the vending machine, which is this one, and you need it to put it flush with your wall. The second thing you need is the item that you're going to be spawning from the vending machine. Now I'm going to look for something called food can, and I'm going to place it roughly at the ejection port of the vending machine. About there. Now we need two more things: a point template, which will spawn the can, and the button. Now you can make individual buttons and have multiple objects coming out of this, but we're just going to do one for now. And the button is just going to cover this, but the model buttons here. And we make the button a no draw, so you can't see it. So now I'm just adding a funk button to this brush. It doesn't need a name. The only thing you need to do is make sure use activates is checked, and don't move. Otherwise all that is fine and you don't need to worry about naming or anything. Second thing we're going to do is the food can. Just give it a name. As I said in my last tutorial, try and keep the names so that you can understand where they are and what they're doing. It's very, very important. And then we go to our point template here, Alt Enter, give it a meaningful name, so I'm going to put can spawn, and in template 1 put food can. And that is all of the things you need to do from there. So go back to your funk button, go to outputs, add, on pressed, can spawn, force spawn. Now when you press that button, this entity here will force the entity that's here to spawn, and it will constantly spawn whenever you press that button. The last thing you need to do, this is a prop physics, and as soon as you hit that button it's going to spaz out, and it can technically kill you if you go too close to it when it's spazzing out. So just check the motion disabled box and then it won't move. And there you have it. That vending machine will now work and provide you with unlimited food cans, and that can go on to create a shop here if you wanted to, or anything really you like. The other thing it can be used for is as a reset button. So we can hook it up to this pane of glass here, so that when you press the button the door can reopen, the alarm will stop, and the pane of glass will respawn, and it's exactly the same method as we've done here. So I'm going to compile it now and show you it working in game. Hello and welcome back, and this is the map compiled. I've added a light environment now so that we get some actual lighting with shadows. And here we have our vending machine. So press the button, the can will spawn. You can pick up a can and throw it around if you want to. And this will endlessly spawn. And there you have it. Thank you for watching the tutorial, and I hope this will help you in the future.